birds are getting close because the mean bird is down below the row of the sand. So he can't see these birds from where he is. So they now no longer need me for protection. And they're behind the sand sort of hill. So they think they're going to get close to the people and nab their food. And they're all getting closer. You see, they're all circulating. They're all over the hill. So no one can see them. There's that one here. And this one's yelling. And he's getting a little nervous because the one down there is now coming up a little closer. He came and peeked up over the hill. And this caused all these little birds to run back because they really want the food. But the mean bird is keeping them away. The people here have crackers. And they permanently get them out.
Give them to the bird?
Yeah, they give them to the one bird. But they won't give them to any of the others.
Why is that?
Well, because they can't throw that fast and it's kind of windy. You're dumping over all my stuff. Okay. There's Fred with his helmet. Here, I'll push this back a little bit. Now lean back. Take your helmet off. Fred had something to eat. These birds would get it. Ones are getting closer to the people at the food. Now let's walk a little closer now. I'm not gonna hurt him. I think they know that. Yeah. Yeah, I know you want something to eat. I'll bring something tomorrow, okay? The jig is up. That's the mean one. He knows the jig is up now. He just wants them to know they better stay away. He yells at everyone when they get too close. I can't imagine what they'll do tomorrow when I bring the Wolferman's muffin. They'll just go crazy. Lady girl knows that she can't come close.
Lady girl?